Namaste from India. Honorable Minister for State for Communications, Education and Electronics and IT, Mr. Sanjay Dhotre Sahab, Mr. Rahul Chhabra, Secretary ER, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, Ms. Anita Praveen, Additional Secretary Telecom, Department of Telecommunication, Government of India, Mr. Shyamal Ghosh, past Chairman TEPC, virtually connected industry captains, delegates, press and media, ladies and gentlemen. I feel humble, it is my privilege and pride to be associated with this event since its inception. This is for the first time that we are doing this event in virtual mode for the benefit of our friends from all over the world, a digital platform for business development. Very warm welcome, Excellencies, dignitaries and invited industry captains to India Telecom 2021 15th edition, and thank you all for your participation. Though it is virtual, during such challenging times and restrictions as the world moves to a new normal scenario, the need of ours is to move ahead and shift our focus and create platform for the industry so that they can do business and sustain this in this tough time as well. This is required for the betterment of people and countries too. India Telecom acts as a platform to showcase our global leadership in innovation, design, talent and so many other parts of ecosystem. Let me share that very business model for delivery of communication services being offered across the globe has largely been developed in India. So, one can say that India is the design house for the world, be it telecom or IT products. This event will provide an excellent platform for participating Indian and global companies to showcase their ICT products and services. Understand more about the digital goals of each country, because we have to share our experience and learn how they can support each other through close cooperation and mutual benefit. Let me share that there are 40 online exhibitors, more than 30 countries who have shown interest in participation in this important digital event, more than 100 CEO, CTO level participation from across the globe. There are 5 structured conference sessions as well. So, we have on the table a lot for our business leader during the next 2 days, 3rd and 4th March. The telecom sector has witnessed significant growth as a result of key reforms and initiatives undertaken by the Government of India. Presently, these initiatives have facilitated creation of infrastructure and investment in the sector, which has led to social, economic growth of all citizens, improved rural digital connectivity, achieved near universal coverage of telecom services. India has become the second largest smartphone market globally. This growth is fueled by increasing affordability of smartphones, adoption of internet and data services in urban and rural India. Let me stress rural India. So, we have lot of experience in connecting rural areas, which we can share with our participating leaders. The rise of mobile applications in regional language, that is also another initiatives in India, that the mobile applications are in regional languages. It is for more for their inclusive growth, and we have brought together the entire country together in the digital dividend. This also aligns with the DOT's effort to ensure mobile connectivity in all villages, that is the smallest unit in our rural India. Thus, we have a lot to share our experience in creating such large digital infrastructure and also delivery of services till last person. The Government of India acknowledges your active participation and your collective determination to strengthen our engagement in digital partnership for digital economy in your country. So, it is not India, but we all will benefit by sharing each other's experience. I congratulate TEPC, the organizers, for bringing together distinguished participation investors in this virtual event. I wish to thank organizers, TEPC along with their members. Namaste from India, and thank you all.